5 YouTube tools you need to know when you are doing a YouTube channel. The first one is about Canva. What is Canva? Canva is about editing YouTube thumbnails, and also creating a YouTube thumbnail will make people to watch your videos. Thumbnail is the basic reasons why people need to watch your video, and good thumbnails can increase the number of views. The second which I am suggesting is about TubeBuddy. Many of the YouTubers are finding it difficult to get subscribers to their channel, but then when you send your subscribing links, you need to ensure that you send subscribing links with pop-up. For example, when a person gets your YouTube link, when he clicks it, the subscribe button just appears. That can be done by TubeBuddy. Log into TubeBuddy, and of course you can do that. The third thing which I wanted you guys to know is about Pexel. Pexel is about free copyright claim videos. Now, for example, if you are going to do a motivational video, or if you are going to do any sort of video, you can put certain videos by downloading from Pexel and just ensure those videos are there on that, so you don't get copyright claim. Because some people consider that if you can bring new videos into the video when you are doing a content, and that video does not have copyright claim, then of course you can reach much better. So the fourth thing you need to know is about Vidiq or VIDIQ. This is some sort of app where you can search the terms. For example, what term is more trending in YouTube. If you can find those terms from Vidiq app, then of course you can easily do certain contents what YouTube users are actually searching. So that will help you out to reach the correct set of subscribers who are watching contents where they do not have videos. So you need to create contents which have a lot of videos. The fifth thing is about CapCut. So CapCut is about editing the videos through a basic video editing processor. You don't want to have an Adobe Premiere Pro when you have CapCut. It's so basic, and also it's very easy to edit compared to CapCut. The good thing of CapCut is about generating audio subtitles easily as possible, so that will make your users watch your video properly. So I hope you understood these 5 tools, and if you are starting up a YouTube channel, have these 5 tools. The links of these 5 tools are below under the comment column. See you guys in another video. Save and also share, follow, comment.